Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you dodge the buying bullets of consumerism. Today, we're diving into the steamy world of cleaning. That's right, it's a battle of the mops. On my left, we have the Steam & Go 10-in-1 Steam Mop, the product that promises to make your floors so clean you could eat off them. Not that we'd recommend that. And on my right, the GorFanty Steam Mop, a name that sounds like it should be a character in a space opera, but instead, it's here to save your floors from dirt and grime. Let's get cleaning. First up, let's talk about the price. The Steam & Go comes in at a wallet-friendly $99, which many reviewers find to be a great deal considering its effectiveness on laminate floors and grout cleaning. Meanwhile, GorFanty rolls in at a slightly heftier $139, yet reviewers rave about its versatility and performance, making it worth the extra cost for those needing a multi-purpose cleaning solution. So can the GorFanty justify that extra $40? Let's find out. Now on to design and functionality. The Steam & Go is all about versatility, transforming from a mop into a handheld steamer, perfect for tackling floors, tiles, grout, and even curtains. Reviewers appreciate its lightweight design and ease of use. On the other hand, the GorFanty is not just a mop, it's a whole cleaning arsenal. With 10 accessories, it's perfect for a range of tasks, from floors to toys. Reviewers commend its power and effectiveness, making it a favorite for those with various cleaning needs. But let's be real, if you have kids, those toys are probably still going to be dirty. Sorry, GorFanty. Okay, let's talk about heat-up time. The Steam & Go takes a leisurely approach, which some users found frustrating, especially when quick cleaning is needed. Meanwhile, the GorFanty heats up in just 20 seconds, making it a go-to for those needing fast results. Reviewers love this quick readiness, especially in a busy household. And did I mention GorFanty has adjustable steam levels? It's like having a personal steam chef, adjusting the steam based on your cleaning needs. The Steam & Go? It's more like the one-size-fits-all approach, which may not be as effective for stubborn stains. Now, let's talk reach. The Steam & Go boasts a generous 20-foot power cord, praised by users for its convenience in cleaning larger spaces. Meanwhile, the GorFanty one-ups it with a 23-foot cord. Reviewers appreciate this extra length, allowing them to clean without constantly switching outlets. Just kidding! Please don't invade your neighbor's cleaning space without permission. Last but not least, let's discuss safety. The Steam & Go operates at a hefty 356 degrees Fahrenheit, which sounds impressive, but some users have raised concerns about the potential risks of high heat. Meanwhile, the GorFanty is all about safety and efficiency, eliminating 99.9% of stubborn stains without harsh chemicals, which is a major plus for families with pets or kids. Reviewers love that they can clean effectively without worrying about harmful residues. Because let's face it, if you can clean up after them without chemicals, you're already winning at life. In summary, both products have garnered positive feedback from users. The Steam & Go is praised for its affordability and versatility, making it a great choice for budget-conscious consumers. However, some users noted issues with durability and replacement parts. The GorFanty, while pricier, received high marks for its effectiveness, ease of use, and safety features, making it a valuable investment for thorough cleaning. So there you have it, folks. The Steam & Go is the budget-friendly, versatile cleaning companion that's ready to tackle your floors, while the GorFanty is the high-tech, multi-tool cleaning powerhouse that's here to save the day. Which one is right for you? It really depends on your cleaning style and budget. As always, leave your comments below on which steam mop you think takes the crown. And remember, here at Buy Smart, we believe in buying smart, not just buying. Like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a cleaning showdown. Until next time, keep it clean and keep it smart.